Alright guys, so I'm actually quite excited about this new release from FMS. As you can see, I mean, it looks pretty normal, just like the regular old Land Cruiser 80 that they offered before. But there's something very special about this one. It's going to be the first one of this line from FMS. I am hoping they are going to continue to do this to some of my other favorite scalar models. But here you have it, the new FMS FCX18. It's just a sleeper crawler. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait to take this out to the crawler course and test it out. So basically what these guys did is what a lot of us were doing on our own. A lot of people were just taking this guy because it looks so good. It has all the lights, you know, full light kit, full interior, very nice hard body, just very detailed, looks amazing. But at the end of the day, it was just a scalar, you know. It's good. It's got some good off-road performance. It'll do okay at the crawler course, but it doesn't have portal axles, single speed. The servo's not the greatest. So for good crawling performance, you want to go to the FCX area of FMS. These FCX models have the dual speed transmission, the portals, and the really good servo. So, you know, usually these two are kind of in two different categories. You know, this is a scalar, and this would be the crawler, pretty much, when they came out with the K5, which is also kind of a mix in between both of them. But this right here is the pretty much perfect marriage of both technologies. They're offered in three colors: gray, same as this one, the blue, and the yellow. Get a good look at all the details. Like I said, portal axles, 2-speed transmission, metal gear steering servo, and then all the regular details and features that the original one had. You know, the light kit, very cool looking set of tires. Oh, another very important detail: these tires, even though they look good, the rubber is a little hard. It's not the best performer off-road. Apparently they're claiming that they did a important upgrade to the material that they use for the tires. So we'll see. Let's see if we can get this guy open. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that blue. Alright, and we get the good controller. I call it the good controller because you can control some of the ESC functions with these buttons here. And I prefer these knobs to the buttons. Okay, and then we have an updated controller, an updated charger. Because apparently this one comes with a bigger and updated 900 mAh. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's different. Holy hell. Yeah. Let me there it is. So the original one ran on this little, and then this new model comes with this beast. They claim that you can run an hour with this. We will test it out and see. Well, now we have a officially licensed badge underneath. It just looks serious. Oh wow, yeah, the tires are definitely a much better rubber by far. Wow. Significant difference in the material that they use for the tires. Basically, you're only giving up your interior on the stock Land Cruiser when you change over to the FCX18. Take a quick look. They're quite different. You know, with this one, you toss the battery back here, this little guy, put it in and start it here. Then with this one, they have the battery up front. So I'm sure that even better for weight distribution and all that, to keep that front end down when you're trying to climb. Flip it over and we see, oh yeah, we see a lot of good stuff. We got the portal axles that we don't have on the original version. And then we have all these metal links where originally was plastic. All this stuff is plastic. Don't mind the axle missing. The shocks also look to be maybe metal. Yeah, the shocks look to be a lot better. Zero bounce to it. Yeah, you definitely gotta have oil, because this guy, when it was brand new, was pretty shaky. Yeah, that's damp. Look at that. Oh man, this thing is gonna be awesome. Alright, let's see what's in this little bag. We got the charger for that bigger battery. We have some plates. I already got one in the back, the New York one, so we just got two more ones. We got the T, and we get a hook too. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Little tow hook. That's cool. Oh yeah, looks like that. Bam. Good stuff. That's wicked cool. I cannot wait to test this thing out on the indoor course. So here you have it, guys. The brand new FCX18 from FMS.